Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, charming cabin nestled in a lush tropical setting, featuring a vibrant blue exterior and warm, welcoming wooden accents. The scene captures a golden sunset casting a soft, warm glow through large glass windows, illuminating the cozy interior. Surrounding the cabin are various tropical plants and potted greenery, adding a vibrant natural contrast to the muted colors of the gravel pathway. The setting has an impressionistic aesthetic, emphasizing the play of light and shadow, with details like hanging lanterns and a wooden deck that invite relaxation. Wooden cabin design in a tranquil garden setting, emphasizing a cozy, modern aesthetic with curved architecture. The cabin features large glass walls and circular windows, allowing natural light to fill the interior, which showcases warm wooden tones and plush furnishings. Surrounding the cabin is lush greenery, with scattered autumn leaves on a stone patio, creating an inviting atmosphere. A small fire pit sits in front of the cabin, surrounded by comfortable seating. The scene is illuminated by soft pendant lights, evoking a peaceful evening ambience. Modern luxury home exterior at twilight, showcasing a blend of glass and stone materials. The house has large floor-to-ceiling windows illuminated from within, reflecting the warm, inviting atmosphere. The scene is set in a beautifully landscaped desert garden featuring various cacti and succulents, with soft outdoor lighting enhancing the serene ambience. The patio is elegantly furnished with stylish lounge chairs and a modern outdoor sofa. The color palette includes earth tones like deep browns and soft greens, contrasted with the warm glow of interior lights. Modern cabin nestled in a misty forest, designed with a blend of minimalism and organic aesthetics. The architecture features large glass walls and wooden accents, allowing natural light to flood the interior. Lush green moss covers the roof and surrounds the cabin, adding a touch of nature. In front of the cabin, a warm fire pit surrounded by smooth stones emits a soft glow. The color palette includes earthy tones, deep greens, warm browns, and hints of gray from the surrounding trees. A lush, inviting courtyard scene at dusk, featuring a charming rustic house adorned with rich green ivy and surrounded by vibrant foliage. The building, made of textured stone, showcases warm, glowing windows that hint at a cozy interior. The courtyard is paved with natural stone tiles, interspersed with patches of soft green moss, and a sturdy wooden dining table surrounded by black chairs is set for an intimate gathering. Colorful potted plants and blooming flowers add splashes of red and orange against the greenery. Contemporary glass-fronted house immersed in nature, showcasing a harmonious blend of indoors and outdoors. The architecture features a sleek, minimalist design with large floor-to-ceiling windows framed by lush greenery. The exterior is adorned with a living roof, providing a vibrant contrast to the warm wooden elements of the interior. A serene garden with carefully arranged stepping stones leads to a tranquil seating area surrounded by bamboo and soft moss. The scene is illuminated by soft amber lights that create a cozy atmosphere as dusk settles. Cozy courtyard scene of a rustic Mediterranean villa, featuring a charming stone facade with terracotta roof tiles, surrounded by vibrant greenery and colorful flowers in terracotta pots. The courtyard is paved with irregular stones, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows, while a few comfortable seating areas are adorned with plush cushions. Lush plants climb the walls, adding to the tranquil ambience. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, showcasing intricate details in textures and colors, with soft, natural lighting that enhances the serene setting. A modern, two-story house nestled in a lush green garden, evening lighting illuminating the warm wooden interior with a cozy ambience. The exterior walls are a mix of dark wood and glass, adorned with climbing ivy and potted plants adding a touch of nature. The front porch features two comfortable chairs, inviting and relaxed, positioned on a wooden deck surrounded by a well-manicured lawn. Large glass doors reflect the soft, golden glow inside, revealing glimpses of a stylishly decorated living space with bookshelves and warm textures. Modern architectural scene featuring a beautifully designed house with a blend of wood and glass elements, surrounded by lush greenery and tropical plants. The house showcases open spaces with large windows, seamlessly integrating indoor and outdoor living. A serene pond sits at the center, reflecting the vibrant colors of the environment. Pathways made of concrete slabs lead to the entrance, bordered by gravel and a variety of vibrant foliage. The overall aesthetic conveys a harmonious relationship with nature, emphasizing tranquility and modern design. A cozy, inviting cottage nestled in a lush, green garden surrounded by towering trees. The exterior features a blend of natural stone and warm wooden elements, adorned with vibrant green ivy climbing the walls. The late afternoon light gently illuminates the scene, creating a warm, enchanting atmosphere. Large windows allow a glimpse into the softly lit interior, showcasing comfortable furnishings in soft earth tones. An inviting wooden deck extends from the house, furnished with a combination of potted plants and rustic seating arrangements. Modern architectural home surrounded by lush greenery, large glass panels reflecting warm interior lights, creating a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. The setting is a peaceful garden featuring carefully arranged plants, stone pathways, and textures of grass and pebbles. Colors are rich and warm, emphasizing earthy tones like deep greens, browns, and subtle orange accents from patio furnishings.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.